Welcome to Digital Electronics Playlist. This is Balaji Tripathi, currently working in MLB Bhilwara as an assistant professor. So now in this lecture I'm going to teach you about how we will convert the octal number to hexadecimal number. So we will teach how we are going to convert octal to hexadecimal. So let's suppose I'm taking an example. Let's suppose this is an example 3 4 5, and for octal we need to write here 8, and we need to convert it into hexadecimal, that is 16. So let's suppose this is an example, and in that we need to convert this number into hexadecimal number. So first of all we'll write binary of all this number, binary digit of all this number. So as we know that binary digit of 3 is 0 1 1, binary digit of 4 is 1 0 0, binary digit of 5 is 1 0 1. We are aware of that binary conversion of 3 bit is this, like that. So we will combine all these three and we can write like that. That will be 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. So after writing that we'll make a pair of 4. So we'll make a pair of 4. This will be the pair of 4, this will be pair of 4. So 1 0 is left, we'll neglect this. So after writing this, what is left, that is this 1 1 1 0, then 0 1 0 1 after making pair of 4. So as we know that in decimal, this pair of 4 can be written as 1 1 0 is written as 14, and 0 1 0 is written as 5. As we know that after 10 is written as A, 11 is written as B, 12 is written as C, D 13, and E 14, and F 15. We are aware of this. After 9 we know that we can write 10 as A, 11 as B, C as 12, and D as 13, E as 14, and F as 15. So we have got the expression of 14 and 5. So we can write it as in, so for 14 we need to write E, and for 5 just 5 only, and that will be 16. Because why I am writing 16 here, because 16 is the notation for hexadecimal. So this is a simple example. From this example we know that how we can calculate the octal number to hexadecimal number. Let's suppose I am taking another example. Let's suppose I'm writing here 4 5 3 8 2 hexadecimal. Let's suppose I'm taking this example here. So what we need to write, we need to write binary of all. So binary of 4 is 1 0 0, binary of 5 is 0 1 1, binary of that is 1 0 1, binary of 3 is 0 1 1. So we can write like this 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. So we need to make a pair of 4. So pair of 4 will be like this, pair of 4 will be like this. So this one we need to neglect. So what we'll write here is 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. So this is our expression here. So we know that this will be 1 0 0 1, and this will be 0 1 1 0. So for this we know that we can write here that is the expression of this will be written as 11, and this will be written as 4. So for 11 we know that for 11 we can write here B and 4 16. So this is a simple example. From that we can convert this expression into hexadecimal. Thank you.